This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about watches. What was your first watch like?
My first watch was a small, simple one with a black strap and an analog display. It was a gift from my parents for my birthday. I treasured it because it marked an important milestone in my childhood.
What kinds of watches do you like to wear?
I prefer wearing watches with a minimalist design, like ones with a plain dial and a leather or metal strap. They're timeless and go well with most outfits. Smartwatches are also appealing because of their modern features, like tracking fitness.
How often do you wear a watch?
I wear a watch almost every day. It's especially useful when I'm in meetings or situations where checking my phone might seem impolite. It's become a part of my daily routine.
Do people still wear watches in your country?
Yes, many people still wear watches, although they're not as essential as they used to be. Some wear them for fashion or as a status symbol, while others rely on smartwatches for their extra functionalities.
Do you think watches are becoming less popular with smartphones around?
Yes, I think watches are less popular now because smartphones can easily tell the time. Many people prefer using their phones for everything, including checking the time.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a person you know who likes reading a lot. You should say who this person is, how you know them, what they like to read, and explain why they enjoy reading.
One person I know who loves reading is my older sister, Anna. She's been passionate about books for as long as I can remember. From a young age, she would spend hours reading instead of watching TV or playing outside. Her enthusiasm for reading has always stood out to me, and it's a habit she has carried into adulthood. Anna's collection of books is impressive. She has everything from classic literature and self-help books to science fiction and biographies. Her favorite genre, though, is mystery because she enjoys solving puzzles and uncovering twists in the story. She often talks about how a well-written mystery can keep her on the edge of her seat. She also enjoys historical fiction, as it combines storytelling with fascinating insights into the past. For Anna, reading is more than just a hobby. It's her way of relaxing and escaping from the stresses of daily life. She once explained that books transport her to different worlds and introduce her to new perspectives. She says reading helps her stay curious and learn something new every day, whether it's a historical event, a philosophical idea, or a practical tip for life. Her love for reading has been a positive influence on me as well. Seeing her dedication and passion has motivated me to read more and expand my own knowledge. I admire how much she gains from books, and it's inspiring to watch her apply the lessons and insights she gathers to her everyday life.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of reading. Why do some people enjoy reading so much?
Some people enjoy reading because it allows them to escape into different worlds and explore new ideas. It's also a great way to relax and unwind after a busy day. Additionally, Reading helps improve knowledge and creativity, making it both entertaining and rewarding for many people. For some, reading also provides a sense of comfort and companionship.
Do you think reading habits have changed over time?
Yes, reading habits have changed a lot over time, especially with the rise of digital technology. Many people now prefer ebooks or audiobooks instead of traditional paper books. Social media and shorter content formats have also influenced how people consume information today. However, some people are enjoying physical books again because they like the feel of holding a book and the memories it brings back.
Should children be encouraged to read more?
Yes, children should definitely be encouraged to read more as it helps develop their imagination and language skills. Reading also improves their ability to focus and teaches them valuable lessons about the world. Early exposure to books can instill a lifelong love for learning. Additionally, it strengthens their critical thinking skills, which are essential in many areas of life.
How can schools promote reading among students?
Schools can promote reading by creating well stocked libraries and organizing reading challenges or book clubs. Teachers can also introduce students to interesting books during lessons to spark their curiosity. Hosting author visits or storytelling sessions can make reading more exciting for students.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.